I'm going to show you how to use a Nespresso coffee maker. What you're going to do is grab a cup. I have a 12-ounce cup that I'm going to use, and check the reservoir to make sure there's enough water in there. If not, I'm going to have to add some water. So I'm going to fill my cup with water. There's some water in the reservoir. I'm adding a little bit more, and then place that same cup underneath the spigot, or whatever you want to call it, the dispenser, and then choose my type of coffee that I'm going to want. There's a lot of different flavors, from hot chocolate to espresso to double shot of espresso, which I'm going to use. So after I make my selection, I'm going to open it up by simply unlocking the top of it, placing, I can't speak this morning, my cup that I choose in there, and then locking it and pressing the button. And after I press the button, the machine will get to work as far as heating the water before it goes into the cup with coffee. I'm going to add something like cream. There's cream up there. Grab my top, so afterwards I can be off with my coffee. And you can see that it's working. It's filling inside of the cup. Let me get in closer so you can see it. The coffee is going inside of the cup. The hot water is going through the capsule and filling the cup with coffee. Slow, but rest assured it's going in. You can add things such as vanilla. There's vanilla you can add to it to have that French vanilla flavor for your cup of coffee, but I'm choosing to use just cream. I'm gonna add cream to the cup while it's filling up, just to expedite the process. And after it's filled with coffee, I'm gonna simply get the stir the coffee with the cream into the coffee, just like that. And then, after I've done that, I'm going to simply toss the capsule that has been used into the trash, and then have fresh cup of coffee using an Nespresso coffee maker. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.